Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited about this topic, and I bet you don't know about these services of AWS. And if you don't want to get charged by learning AWS in your free tier account, just stay tuned. So trust me, it's just 1 or 2 minutes of work, and it is going to save your money. So what we'll be doing, we'll be talking about an important service of AWS by which you can identify the resources that you may have created in your AWS account, or those are the reason behind your AWS bill in your free tier account. So just like this is a common mistake we all do while learning or testing out new things in AWS, because we are really excited because we are learning and we think we have deleted those resources, or just being lazy we just stop it and just forget about it. But the thing is, AWS is never going to forget it, and it is going to send you the invoice and is to log in with your root credentials. Root credentials, I hope you all know. And if you don't know, the credential that is used when you created your account means the ID and the password that you created while creating the AWS account. IAM role or IAM user will not work here. So just log in. In the search bar, you have to write Cost Explorer. When you have written the Cost Explorer, it is going to land on this page. Here you can see the bills. You can check this is the tax, this is Elastic Cache, this is for VPC and the services that I have used. Under that section, you are going to see the services that you have used in your AWS account. You can also download the CSV here. If you want to check that, I want to check the bill of my April or May or June, July, August, September, and October. We are in October right now. So you can choose the range from here. You can select the dates also and just hit apply. It is going to show. If you want to check of monthly basis, daily basis, and hourly basis, you can check from here. If you want to check the services, you can apply. Like I want to check of only Cloud Map or CloudFront. Just hit apply. You are going to see the graph of those only. I have never used those services, so it is not showing me any of these. I have to clear in case I want to check those graphs. So I'm going to clear that. Linked accounts, the region. If I want to check, like I want to check of Virginia region. So these are the case for Virginia region. You can exclude it, the instance type. Same goes with the usage. Same goes with the type group. So you can play around these. But this is not going to satisfy me because these are the name of the services only. I want to check more. So what I can do is I can just go for the bills. Here I will land on the bill page. You can see the services here and you have more details now. Just go on the RDS, just click. It is going to expand. It's just showing me the region. No, not satisfied enough. Why are you asking me for money? Let's expand it. Oh, so it is asking because of this. So you can see because of I use GP3. So because of GP3, I have to pay this. So now you can have more granular detail of your bill. But no, I'm still not satisfied. So what I am going to do is I am going to write tags. So that's why it is really important when you are creating something, you have to just give it a tag. So later on, what you can do is you can just check it. And no matter in which resource you are launching your instance or launching your resources, by the tag you can find those resources. So just write tag editor, select the region. Now I have forgotten in which region I have created, so just select all region. The resources, I have already forgotten what resources I have worked on. Just type all resources. The tags are optional because I have forgotten the tags also. Let's search for the resources. Wow, it is going to show me the history. And it is going to take time because it is going to check all the regions in which you may have created your resources. Wow. So this is the resource. Actually, I had forgotten why I created that. Just click on that. It is going to show me where this is. Oh my god. So this is something I was working on a client project and I created this and I have absolutely forgotten about this. See, this happens with everyone, not only with you guys, this happened with us also. So I basically find this helpful. You can check. We have, see, I also have an EC2 running. Wow. And that is stopped. So yeah. So yeah, like this you can search. So just check the resources, delete those resources and save your money. Bye bye.